concept, functions. Function already we know in 11th class. What is a function? It is a special type of relation. Special type of relation. What is its speciality? Every relation is not a function. Function has some special property. What is a function definition? F maps from A to B. F is said to be function from A to B if for every element in A there exists a unique element in B. A unique means only one. So every element, so there should not be any element left in the domain. So here it is called a domain. It is called codomain. Now I am taking some examples. A, B. Suppose the elements of set A are A, B, C. Elements of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4. Every element is related to some element and only one element. So A is related to 1. B is related to 2. Suppose C is related to 4. So no element is left in the domain. So it is a function. Now let me take another function, another example. A, B, C, same elements I am taking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose that it is P, it is a Q. A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 2. Here, no element is left in the domain. Right? Next. This element A is related to only one element, so it is not having relation with any other element. B is not left here and B is related to only one element. Of course, both these two are having relation with the same element, but this is having with only one element. C is related to 2. So 3, 4 left in the codomain, we need not bother. So, but in the domain there should not be any element left. It is a function. Now let me take another example. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose it is S, T. A is related to 1. A is related to 2. B is related to 3. C is related to 4. Here no element is left. Okay. But what is another condition? This element is related with two elements. But according to the definition, it must related with only one element. But the element A is related with only element. Here two elements related to same element, no problem. But this element is related to with only one element. This element is related with only one element. Whereas here, the element is related with two elements. So, but every element in A is related to some element with only one element. So, it is not a function. Now, let me take another example. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. A is related to 1, B is related to 2. Now, if you observe these two, here the element is C left without any relation. So, but according to the definition, it should not left without any relation. So, it is not a function. So, this is the definition of function. For every element in the domain, there exists a unique element. Here, no element is left in the domain and every element is related to only one element. Here, no element is left in the domain. They are related with only one element. These two elements related to same element, no issue. But it is related with only one. Here, no element is left, but this element is related with two elements. So, it is not a function. Here, the element C is left without any relation. So, it should not left. So, therefore, it is not a. Next, types of functions. So, we learned what is function in 11th class and different types of special functions we learned. What is modulus function, what is sine function, what is epsilon, what is constant function, what is identity function, all this we learned in 11th class. Now, types of functions we have in 12th class. What are different types of functions? Types of function means they are functions But when they have a special property, they are given special name. The first one is 1 1. Another name for it is injective. 1 1 function or 1 to 1 function. What is 1 1 function? Different elements have different images. Different images. It is first of all, it is a function. Different elements have different images. So how to prove this? x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Or the same thing can be said, if the images are same, that means the elements are same. So in some cases we prove like this, some cases we prove like this. So different elements have different images, or images same means the elements are same. So let me explain with some Venn diagram. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3. So here, first of all, it is a function because there is no element left here and every element is related to a unique element. It is a function. Now it is 1 1 or not, we have to check. It is 1 1 because A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3. Different elements have different images. So it is 1 1. Now if you observe this, A, B, C, same 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taking. A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 2. It is not 1 1. Here different elements have relation with one element. This is called many 1. If it is not 1 1, if not 1 1, then it is many 1. If it is not 1 1, then it is many 1. So this is about 1 1 function and many 1 function. Next, onto function. Another name for onto function is surjective. Surjective function. What is meaning of onto function? For every element in the codomain, suppose f is a function from A to B, for all B belongs to B, there exists some A belongs to A such that f of A equal to B. So for all B belongs to B, in the codomain, for every element in the codomain, there exists some, at least some element in the domain. How? This element in B is image of some element in, the element B is image of some element in A. So for all elements in B, in the codomain, every element is related, or it is the image of some element in the domain. So there should not be any element left in the codomain. There should not be any element left in the codomain. For example, same ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it should not be more than that, right? Here for every, this is domain, this is codomain. In this there no element is left. First of all, it must be a function. It is function Y. In the domain, every element is related to some element and it related to unique element. It is function. Why it is on to for every element in the codomain. Suppose I am taking element in the codomain 1. It is related to some element, at least some element in the domain. It is related to A. So it is 1 is image of A. Now 2 is image of B, 2 is image of C. So for every element, for the element in the codomain, there are more than one. There can be more than one, but there are some elements in the domain. So it is onto. Now let me take another example. A, B, C, D. 1. So observe this. First of all, it is a function. Every element in the domain is related to one element, unique element in the codomain. Now it is onto. Why? So in the codomain, no element left. So suppose if I take 1, for element 1 in codomain, there are some elements in the domain. There are 2 elements in the domain. Right. For element 2, there is an element C. For element B3 in the codomain, there is some element D in the domain. So it is 1, 1. Now you see, A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3. Now it is not onto. Not onto. Why? There are elements in the codomain which are not related to elements in the domain. According to the definition, there should not left any element in the codomain. But here, some elements left. It is not onto. If it is not onto, then it is called into. If it is not onto, then it is called into. It is called into. If not onto, then it is called into. Right, let me take another example. So if you observe this, the set of, what is range? Range means set of all images. Set of all images. If range set equal to codomain onto, if any element left in the codomain, or that means if range is subset of codomain, then it is not proper subset of codomain, then it is not onto.